Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Learning with Roshan Sir. We provides video on physics, chemistry, maths and Vedic maths. हमारे चैनल के सारे वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें. Now let's start with the video. Now here we start with exercise 10.3 of the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Now we move to the question number 1. In this one, we have to multiply a binomial by binomial. Now in case of multiplying binomial by binomial, we first of all take the first expression or the first term of this expression and then multiply by this whole, and then we take the second term of this expression and then multiply by this whole. And here we get this. Now we are going to open the bracket by multiplying these two and by this one and this. And here we get 15x square plus 20x. Now we are going to open this bracket by multiplying these two terms by minus 2. And here we get minus 6x and minus 8. Then we see that these two are the like terms, so they will be solved. And here we get 15x square plus 14x minus 8. Now let's see the second part of this one. Ax plus b by cx plus d. Here ax will be multiplied by this whole bracket, then plus b will be multiplied by this whole bracket. And here we get this. Now we are going to open the brackets. On opening the first bracket, we have got ax into cx, that is acx square, and here ax into d, that is adx. Now we will be opening this one, and here we get this. Now here we can see that none of the terms can be added or subtracted because all of them are unlike terms. And here we get question number 5. Now in question number 5 we are having a decimal numbers and nothing else. Now we are going to just do as we were doing till now. We are going to take this term, then multiply by this whole, then we are going to take this one and multiply by this whole. After doing this, we are going to open the brackets, and on opening the bracket, we are going to multiply minus 1.5a into minus 1.5a, and that will be equals to 2.25 a square. Then here on multiplying these two we get 3.75 ab. Now here 2 minus and plus, so we are going to multiply these two, and as they are minus and plus, so they will be giving you an answer in a negative, that is 3.75 AB, and then minus and plus again, so you will be getting answer in minus, and this will be 6.25 b square. Here we see this is plus, this one is minus, so they will be cancelled out, and on cancelling we are left with 2.25 a square minus 6.25 b square. That's the answer for this question. Here we have question number 1/6 part. In this one, we are having the whole expression in one of the bracket. In the next bracket, we are having expression inside the bracket, but a number is outside, which is going to multiply these of the term. So first of all, we are going to multiply these two terms. Then we are going to proceed with this one. Here we get this expression after multiplying 7 by p square and minus 3 upon 4 q square. Now we are going to multiply this term by this whole and then 4q by this whole, and here we get this. Now we are going to open the bracket. Now here we have opened all of the brackets. 3 upon 7 into p square, we have got 21 upon 7 p to the power 4. Now here we see that this can be cancelled out, and we can cancel this one to get 3 over here. Then similarly 3 into 21 upon 7 into 4, we have got this. Then p square into q square, we have got this one, and here again they will be cancelled by 7, and this will be 3 and this will be 4. Now 4 into 7 we have got 28, and then p square into q square, p square q square, and then 4 into minus 21 we got 84 upon 4. Now we'll cancel it out and we're left with 2 and 1. So 21 q to the power 4. So the final answer will be this one. But here we see that they two are the like terms. So they are going to be solved further, and in that case we are going to subtract 28 by 9 by 4. And on subtracting 28 by 9 by 4 we get 1 by 103 by 4. Now we are going to replace these two by this 103 by 4, and here we get this one as the final answer. Now let's move to the next question. That is question number 2. And now in this question we have to multiply a trinomial by a binomial. Now we are going to just proceed in the similar manner as we were doing for the binomial and binomial. Here we are going to take this term, then multiply by this whole, then minus 2y, this one, then we are going to take this whole, and then plus 3, and then again multiply by this whole. And here we get this. Now we are going to open the brackets, and here we get this on opening all of the brackets. Now we'll go for solving the like terms, and we see that these two are the like term and having the opposite sign, so they will be cancelled out, and the remaining will give you the final answer. Now we'll move to the next question, and here we get this in the second part of this question number 2. Here again we are going to multiply this all terms by this whole expression, and we'll be getting, and here we get this. Then we are going to open all of the brackets, and on opening a bracket we'll be getting this. Now we'll take all the like terms and solve them. Here we see 12x and 25x are the like terms, then minus 20x square and this minus 10 square are the like terms. So we are going to solve these two, and here we get this one as the final answer. Here copied 8x cube from here, then minus 20 and minus 10 become minus 30x square, and here 12x and 25x gives 35x, and then minus 15 is copied. Now we'll be doing question number 3, second part. Here in this question we have to multiply a trinomial by trinomial, and again we are going to follow the similar steps. We are going to take one term from here, multiply by all, then the second term multiply by all, and then the third term then multiply by all. And here we have got this. Then we are going to open all of the brackets, and on expanding all of the bracket we have got this expression. Then we'll go for the like terms, and all the like terms will be solved. Here we see this one is plus, this one is minus, so this will be cancelled out, and remaining we have to solve it. And here we have copied minus 15y to the power 4, and then we have added these two as they both are having y cube. So on adding we have got minus 19, and then minus plus 5y square is copied here, and then 4y and 3y we got 7y, and then minus 2 again copied. This is the final answer for this question. Now we'll move to question number 4. Now in question number 4, second part, we are having this expression to be simplified. We are having 4 expressions. Now first of all we are going to multiply these two, then we are going to multiply these two, and then whatever the answer we will be having we are going to multiply them both. So let's start with it. And here we have started with it. Then we are going to open the brackets, and here we get this. Now we are going to cancel it out. Then the remaining one will be further multiplied by each other, and here we get this. Then we are going to open the bracket, and after opening the bracket we have got this 4 terms in which these two are like terms, and they can be solved to give x to the power 4 minus 25x square plus 144. That's the answer for this particular question. And here we have question number 4, fourth part. In this one we have to first of all multiply a trinomial by trinomial, then we have to solve for this minus 4 qr, and here we have expanded this all. Now we are going to open the bracket, and here we get this on expanding this all bracket and copying this at the last. Now we are going to solve all the like terms in it, and here we get this as the final answer. P square is single over here, it's just copied. Then PQ is solved with this one, 2PQ minus PQ. We got single PQ. Then we are having plus PR and minus 4PR, and they solve it to get minus 3PR. Then minus Q is copied. Then here we are having minus 2R, just copied, and then QR is solved with this and this one. On solving this, we have got this and this one. On solving this all, we have got minus QR. Now I'll move for the question number 4, fifth part. Here we are having the multiplication of binomial and binomial 2 times, and then we have to open this bracket, and we got this on expanding all of the brackets. Now we are going to solve all of the brackets, and here we get the product of all the brackets, and then we'll just see which are the like terms, and we are going to solve it. So here we see we are having 2 plus PS and minus PS. They cancelled out. Then we are having plus QR and minus QR. They will be cancelled out. Then we see that PR and PR. So this will become 2 PR. Then QS and QS. This will become 2 QS. And then we are going to copy these two. Minus 2 PR and minus 2 QS. Then we see that one is positive, other is negative, so they will be cancelled out, and similarly QS and 2QS will be cancelled, and we finally get 0 as our answer. Then in question number 5, we have been provided with the two adjacent sides of a rectangle. Let them be length and the breadth, and we have to find its area. As you all know, the area is length into breadth. Therefore, we are going to multiply these two expressions, which are trinomial by nature, and we are going to just follow all of the steps which we are using till now, and here we get this. Now we are going to open all of the brackets, and we get this as the product of all. Here we have expanded this one to get these 3 terms. Then on expanding this whole, we got the next 3 terms, and then with this one the last 3 terms. Now we'll be just saying for the like terms, and we'll solve all the like terms. As we see, minus 10xqy and here plus 50xqy, so these two can be solved, and we aren't having anywhere x to the power 4, so it will be just copied. Then on solving these two, we get plus 40xqy. Then for x square y square, we are having this and this one and this one. So on solving all of it, we get minus 27x square and y square. Then for x y cube, we are having 75 and minus 8, that is plus 67 xy cube. And at last we are going to copy this one, that is plus 12y cube, y to the power 4 square units. That's all from this video. हमारे वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन इट.